We made it to our new destination. Palmas, Tocantins. One of the most random states that you can come to in Brazil. Smack in the middle of the country. A very hot and sticky place. I can already feel all the flies on me. Maybe some mosquitoes, I don't even know. But anyways, I didn't expect that there would be a beach here. After all, I imagined that it would be landlocked Brazil. We're in the middle of the country. What beaches would you expect to be in this part of Brazil? But look. Isn't that a beautiful sunset? I'm gonna take my sunglasses off so I can see it better. Check out the water. Some clear, very warm water. You see this net right here, by the way? I don't know if you noticed the net. I might be wrong about this, but I'm gonna give it a go anyways. I read on the internet, one of the only things that I read about this beach, or the waters here in Palmas, is that there are piranhas. Piranhas, sorry. Forgot which language I'm speaking. In Portuguese, you say piranha. You know, piranhas, the fish that just bite chunks of your skin off. These waters, I think, right, are infested with piranhas, and that's why they put this net here. We're gonna have to confirm this with the locals. But you see, they put this like, it's a metal, it's a very strong net. But you can see they have it in the water as well. And that way, the piranhas can't get to the shore where people wanna have a swim. So if you wanna have a nice swim here at the beach, you can do so. Oi, tudo bem? Eu tenho uma dúvida.
Sim, qual a sua dúvida?
É minha primeira vez aqui, né? Aqui, por que tem isso? Porque tem piranha na água?
Tem piranha. Tu viens d'où? Tu parles quelle langue?
Ah,
Tu parles quelle langue?
ah, je parle français aussi. Tu parles français?
Oui, ça marche. Oui, bien
Mais
sûr.
je suis d'Amérique.
Ici, c'est un petit poisson qui vient
Yeah.
pour manger la viande toujours.
Oui, oui, oui.
C'est important que tu restes là tout le temps. Tu restes
Ah.
là tout le temps. Ici, c'est un petit peu dangereux.
Ok, merci beaucoup.
De rien. Ok, bon après-midi.
See? I was right about the piranhas. The piranhas. They'll come bite chunks of your skin off, guys. So if you come to the beach here, you stay on that side. Don't go on this side. I was gonna go swimming here. Not a good idea. Você pode tirar uma foto pra mim? Ou não? Eu penso que tem alguém, outra pessoa, você está molhado.
Isso aqui tá tão valendo.
Ah?
Olha você, João. Você não consegue?
Pode? Não. Senão atrapalharam. You'll never understand what just happened to me. First time it happened in Brazil. I asked someone to take a picture of me. And they didn't give me a straight no. But they didn't look too happy to do it. And I was just like, you know what? If that's gonna be the vibe of the day, I'm not even gonna bother. We don't need your picture. Você pode tirar foto pra mim ou não? Tudo bem, tudo bem, tudo bem, tudo bem. Obrigado. We're 0 for 2 on photos. What a weird place. Can't ask someone for a freaking photo here? This is crazy. This is an outrage. We're in Brazil. We're in one of the friendliest countries in the world. Yet nobody wants to take my photo. Oh my God. Você pode tirar foto pra mim, por favor?
Posso? Você é de onde?
Estados Unidos.
É mesmo, rapaz?
É.
Mas você fala português bem.
Falo. Vou vir aqui e não falar português. Tem que aprender português. Last glance at the sunset, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. These owls? Holy shit. I'm shocked. Guys, these are straight up owls. This is the first time I've seen owls in real life, I think. So all I know about today is that we're going to some island. I was told by the locals that it's a very popular island to go to on the weekends. There's the main city, the city of Palmas. Check it out, guys. We've made it to the island. Alright guys, this is it. I feel like I just walked onto some summer campground. I don't know what's going on here, but there's a bar. Tudo bem? Yeah, it's just this big open island. Check it out. They got a volleyball net. Just a bunch of tables set around. I don't know when people start to come here because it's pretty empty. And it's a Friday, 3 p.m. And it's scorching hot here, guys. 36 degrees. Whew. Take a look. I wasn't lying. Look at this sign. It says, attention, animal attacks. And you have the piranha right here and the stingray. These, my friends, are the dangerous creatures of the Tocantins River. But it's beautiful out here. Yesterday, I was hanging out in Palmas. A couple of the locals here invited me to go with them to the waterfall. It's like 40 minutes out of the city. And apparently, it's a pretty badass waterfall. So we're gonna check it out. Ooh. No, obrigado. Oh no, spider webs. Tem a ranha. O que a gente faz? Toma cuidado.
Cadê?
Não sei?
Não.
Vai descobrindo. Oh no, guys. Puddles. Oh,
Tu escorrega bem, caiada.
pula.
Não.
Ah, você é mais inteligente que eu. Here we go. Oh, cachoeirinha. Oh, chinelo. My flip-flop. It's getting away. Oh, boys. Only a Brazilian can hike in Havaianas, guys. If you're a gringo in Brazil, put your shoes on or go barefoot. Only Brazilians can do the Havaiana thing. That's nice. And it's not even the big one. On to the next ones, my friends. Que? Você tá falando o quê? They're talking shit about me. Vamos!
Grava com o celular chegando.
É. Duda's smart. She reminds me to film with my phone at the same time. Because I always complain that I get all the footage on my main camera and not enough on my phone. Oh guys, let's check it out. Wow! Meu Deus! Olha a cara louco lá! There's this guy that's just snapping down.
Vamos lá fazer o rapel?
Você desceu agora?
Foi.
Agora não nada.
No way, no way, no way. We're gonna watch two people who want to risk it. There's no fucking way I'm doing that. Oh my god. First waterfall dip for the channel. Hopefully the camera survives. Woo! Oh no, the camera's getting wet. What a waterfall experience, guys. That was an amazing swim. I needed that real bad. Woo. Refreshing as hell. Bora! Let's go. Oh boy. Our favorite part right here. The stairway back. Oh no. Let's see what our record time is. Vamos ver quanto tempo a gente consegue. With the Havianas. Com Havianas tô fazendo isso. Viu? Don't do this. Don't do it. Você gosta? Ah. Guys, I see the end. We can't stop now. Oh, ele quer ganhar, hein? Oh. Ah, com Javianos também. He cheated. He had a head start. Você começou primeiro.
Não, você começou primeiro, começou lá embaixo.
Nossa,
Parabéns.
você é rápido.
Boa, valeu.